silly sentences. We're going to read each sentence 2 times, and then we're going to try to find the words that rhyme. Remember, rhyming words sound the same at the end. Silly sentences. Here's our first one. Follow along with me as I read it. My cats wear hats. Read that with me. Ready? My cats wear hats. Did you hear the words in that sentence that rhyme? What are they? If you said cats and hats, you're correct. Cats and hats both say ats at the end of the word. They're rhyming words. Let's take a look at the next sentence. A lucky ducky swam home. Read it with me. A lucky ducky swam home. Did you hear the rhyming words in that sentence? The 2 words that rhyme here are lucky and ducky. Lucky ducky rhyme. They both say ucky at the end. All right, let's go to the next one. Sentence number 3. Frogs hop on logs. Read it with me. Frogs hop on logs. What are the rhyming words from that sentence? Frogs hop on logs. The 2 words in this sentence that rhyme are frogs and logs. Frogs, logs, both end with ogs. Sentence number 4. Counting sheep helps me sleep. Let's read it together. Counting sheep helps me sleep. Do you hear the rhyming words from that sentence? Which 2 are they? Sheep and sleep. Sheep and sleep both say eep at the end. Those are rhyming words. Sheep, sleep. All right, here's our last one. The funky monkey eats chunky soup. Look at that monkey. Let's read it together. Ready? The funky monkey eats chunky soup. This one's a toughie. It has 3 words in it that rhyme. I'm going to read it to you one more time. See if you can find all 3. The funky monkey eats chunky soup. The 3 words in that sentence that rhyme are funky, monkey, and chunky. Great job, friends.